Hey guys, welcome back to Faith and Baby. Sorry my phone's like this, but I have something really cool to show you. Let's get on. Sorry my camera, but my camera's about to die. Yeah, I got something else better. Let me go. So this is the slime. I'm sorry that you had to see me, but it's worth it. It's still see my slime. I called this one the Galaxy. The pink one that you saw is I call it Donuts. It kind of rips, but it's still good. I had two slimes. It was in here, one was right here, one was right here. Then they mixed together, so then one slime was over here and then the other one was over here. And it got together. But look at this. This is so pretty. Kind of rips, but still fine. Still love it. Next slime. I know you can't really see it, but this is the color. Now let's get it opened up. This is too sticky, so I don't want to get it everywhere, so yeah. But this is the slime. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. So guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and comment down below what was your favorite slime. If you like the pink slime, go down below. Donuts, pink donut slime. If you like the Galaxy slime, make sure you go down below and say Galaxy slime. If you like the teal slime, go down below and say, sorry, I was closing this. Go down below and say teal slime. I think the teal slime is my favorite. But then I also, but bell, and you'll be notified every time I post. And go also down below and comment down below what was your favorites. And I'll see you guys all next time. Bye bye. Oh, I need to also tell you something. I actually made these slides. I made this one. My friend made this one. Her name, I don't know which one I gave. Maybe, but I love this slime. So make sure you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You already know what to do. If you don't know me, I'm